We're here in Hawaii
Hi,
with
JC. We're gonna go to Foodland.
first time in Hawaii, so met a cool Uber driver, pretty gnarly.
Yeah.
So yeah,
We're gonna go eat poke. We're gonna have
some
good time.
poke. I can't wait.
We're gonna go to Foodland and I'm gonna show him around the big outdoor mall. We're gonna be flabbergasted.
We secured the bag. What is this again? We got a poke bowl. Fuck, I forgot what.
Spicy ahi,
Spice.
sesame sauce, sake, and white rice.
Hell yeah! And then we got this.
So sweetie pineapple.
We got the goods. We got the goods.
That's our Serious. Let's go.
Oh.
Dun, 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 dun.
Alright, so what are those?
So these are 2 chantilly cream puffs.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have 1 lilikoi malasada and 1 halpia malasada.
We're at the second food court. We're at the second food court right now. She's debating on getting some fruit sandwiches. We got poke and musubis. What do you usually get? Oh, that looks bomb diggity, not gonna lie. Secured the bag. Alright. This is definitely your vlog now, ain't it?
I had to show the audience.
Oh my gosh, we showed it earlier at Macy's. Our cheers. This is definitely your vlog, bro. What would you rate this?
10 out of 10. Wow. I think it was good. I hope it's good.
10 out of 10? Oh, sure. I'll give it a 7.5. I'm gonna try this spam musubi, bacon and egg. Let's see this. Yep, this is literally like the Filipino like breakfast right here in the spam musubi form. So.
So good. I'm gonna take a bite.
You have like a, you have a little smile. So that one, which was that one?
This one is coconut.
That's a coconut one, and the other one we got was.
Lilikoi.
Oh wow. Okay. Bust down. Oh. Oh, why you gotta do the little shimmy? You're like hello looking back at it, you're like, I want that coconut, man. Huh?
Want a bite?
First day. So far, great. Where are we?
It's sugar.
So it's a place, and this is a video. It's not no boomer.
I'm emphasizing.
The Kotski. We also got Snoopy. We got Snoopy from a Snoopy store. So that Naruto one is pretty fuego, and I'm gonna lie. Oreo cream cake. It's very interesting. I never had something like this before.
It's interesting because there's textures to this. So it's like crunchy from the outside,
And it's just melting.
and then
So it's just like-
so outside crunchy, inner is like the shaved ice part, and inside the shaved ice part is actually ice cream. So you get crunchy, soft, and milk ice cream.
So, waiting.
I think I rate it like a 6.5. It tastes good. I love Oreo.
I would give it the same. Maybe just 5. Maybe 5.
What were you expecting?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Because like, I honestly don't even know. It's like a very chocolatey snow cone.
Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna go to H Mart.
Buy some groceries.
We're going to cook beef saltisao,
Yeah.
and then with rice and then stir fry.
And we're here. H Mart. Oh, never mind. This is not. And we're here. And we're here at H Mart. This is the Naruto. Oh, wait, it has wheels on it? Why are you like, I don't know.
You know that Shiba Inu meme where it's like,
Dang. Alright guys, so we're going to 7-Eleven. I'm gonna get her some allergy medicine. Damn, bro.
I got allergies.
Alright.
Hello. We're making beef saltisao.
Alright.
This one's really good. We got lychee. And what other flavors did we get?
Lychee, strawberry, we got strawberry and yogurt.
Yeah, strawberry and yogurt. So nutty.
I'm putting it in now.
Okay, let's see.
Alright, cheers.
Cheers.
So we got our food. What's it called?
This is beef saltisao. And then we have stir fry on the side with rice.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, hold on. Let me turn the flash on for you guys.
Damn.
This deserves this
Damn.
HD
Shaw.
effect. Yep, beef saltisao, fried, stir fry, and then rice.
And we got the soju, yogurt,
Yeah.
with some guava nectar. Yummy. Alright, taste test. Let's get it. Ready?
Okay.
I'm legally blind. Alright. I'm gonna go for the meat first.
I'm good?
Yes. What do you think?
I'm gonna do good.
How long did it take us? It took us like
2 hours.
no for real?
No, I'm joking.
Probably an hour. Probably an hour.
Yeah, super easy, simple recipe.
Yeah, it was pretty fun. Pretty fun cooking. Chef JC.
Got Gavin. We made it.
Gordon Ramsay, if you're watching this, you better be scared.